In this video, I will share with you how to transfer money from Revolut to Postepay. So friends, if you want to transfer your money, just log in your account through your Revolut. And then when you log in your account, select on transfer option. Click on, you will see on transfer option on your Revolut. After that, when you see transfer, look for the card option, this one, the third option, beneficiary card, this one, and then write your Postepay Postepay card details number, and then guys write your amount you want to transfer. After saving your cards, choose your amount you want to transfer, and then click this icon. As you can see, the card was saved successfully, and then choose this icon guys to transfer. These easy steps guys you can do. Just write your all details your card, and then choose this one, envia de nouveau, and then click on transfer option. So guys, it is easy steps. I hope this guide helpful for you. Don't forget to give like and give share. Just log in your account with your all details, choose the theory option here, choose the transfer, and choose the card transfer. Write your details here. Thanks again for watching.